What's up, you guys? Today I'm going to be doing an episode on how to make a low poly person in Blender. Blender is a 3D modeling tool and it's very easy to use, and this will get you used to the basics of Blender, and it will also give you a character preset in Unity. If I go onto Blender here, if I click tab, this will change me into edit mode. If I click A, this will select everything, and then Alt M will merge everything at the center. So everything is now at the center. And if I click E to make another branch here, and if I click the branch properly here, the middle, okay. So this is how you would make a branch. Now I'm going to quickly fast forward to when I have actually finished the person's skeleton. Okay, what is up, everybody? And I am back, and this is how the skeleton will look. Okay, now if I want to make this actually a skeleton to a person, then if I go to actually extend this a bit, then see this little wrench here, add modifier and skin. This will make it all skinned up. Now if I click Z, I can see all the vertices inside. Now I can actually select these vertices by pressing C all at once. So I'm going to quickly select all the ones at the bottom and press Control A, sorry, Escape, and Control A, and shorten these. Now I can also, I think that these little leg parts are looking a bit fat, so I can shorten these as well. Okay, there you go. Now, if I want to add a head, let's go out of this mode and it will look something similar like this. Now, if I add if I want to add a head, then go to Create Icosphere. Go up and go ahead and add a head here. Now you're probably thinking the head is very big. It's not a problem. If I go to Tools up here, go to Scale, I can scale it down to really small or really big. But I'm going to make it medium. And there you go. So I'm going to go back down to our cube or body and go and add another modifier called Decimate. What this will do is it will randomize everything. It will randomize the parts. There you go. This looks nice. Now if I go down to the icosphere and decimate as well, this will randomize the triangle parts as well. There you go, nice and random. I think this looks very nice now. Now let's go ahead and add some color. Now let's go ahead and click this, new, diffuse, and then diffuse. I want to make it slightly reddish, and the should be slightly reddish. There you go. Nice and easy. This is a little guy. Maybe in future videos I can show you guys how to animate it. Hope you guys enjoyed this. But first, I got to go ahead and click apply to all these. Now they are solid. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. and I will see you guys in a later video. See ya.